Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Chandan, and in this video I am going to show you guys how we can install Python 3.9.5 version or latest version on Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, so currently I am using let's see what version is there. So cat/etc os release. This file contains all the details about the system. So as we can see, our version is 20.04.2 LTS. Okay, so let's start the activity how we can install the Python 3.9.5 or latest whatever the version is available, okay, on Ubuntu 20.04. okay, so first of all we need to update the system. So for that we are going to use command apt update. It's going to update all the cache packages link, okay, whatever the package repository link is there, it's going to fetch all the things, okay, from the repository. Now just what we need to do, I have already written all the commands here. So we need to install all the prerequisite component for the Python 3. okay, so I am installing it. So apt install -y for yes, okay, and all the dependency packages is there. Guys, if you are coming first time on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also please watch the video till end. Okay, and guys, all these commands I'm going to put in description, so it will make you whenever you are going to install, it's easy for you guys. So I'm going to put all these commands in the description. Okay, so installation is going on, so it will take some time, so I will skip all these things. Okay guys, so as we can see guys, our installation is done, whatever the dependency package or prerequisite packages. Okay, so now we need to proceed next. Okay, so what is the next step to install the package? Just go to cd/usr/src directory or any place where you want to put the archive files. Okay, so I'm going there, cd, and then visit the site of the Python. Okay, official site. Just search Python on Google. Okay, Python. Okay guys, so visit the official site called https://www.python.org. okay, just click there and go to the source section. Okay, in download section go to source. Okay, click on source code. After clicking on source code, just click latest version. Okay, whatever the latest version of released. Okay, so here we can see the latest version is 3.9.5. okay, so I'm clicking on that. Go to the bottom of this page, okay, and copy this zipped source tarball. Okay, tarball. So just copy a link address. Okay, right click and copy link address. Go to the terminal. Now using wget, just you need to download that software package, this one. Okay, so just press enter. It's going to download one package called this Python -3.9.5.tgz. okay, now we need to extract this file. How we can extract? For that we are going to use command called tar xfx. okay, extract file. Okay, and then file name, just enter. Once you extracted, you will see here one folder will come with the name of the Python -3.9.5. okay, as we can see, I'm just clearing. See, okay, so just go to that folder using cd Python 3.9.5. now we have to perform some command. The command is .configure --enable optimization. Okay, So this command is you need to perform, so I'm going to perform this command. Okay, so it's going to configure all the things, packages. Okay, so it's going on, guys. So guys, it will take some time. I will skip all the things. Okay guys, so it's done. Now we have to move next step. That next step is make alt install. Alt install, because we are not going to disturb our default Python. Okay, so built-in Python, whatever the Python by default present, we don't want to disturb that one. So we are using here alt install, make alt install. So it's going on, so it will take some time, guys. So I will skip all these things. Okay, so guys, as we can see, our Python installation is done now. Okay, so how we can check that Python installation is done or not? Just do Python 3.9. Okay, so as we can see, Python 3.9 is there. Okay, so just I am putting that Python 3.9. Okay, so as we can see, guys, Python 3.9 is coming now. Okay, so as we can see, guys, Python 3.9 is coming. Okay, so our Python 3.9.5 installation is done. Okay, now it's additional, guys, just I'm giving additional things. That additional thing is how we can upgrade the pip. Okay, for that we can do okay, so using sudo, how we can upgrade the pip. Okay, so just I'm copying this command and putting here. See, sudo pip 3.9. okay, install hyphen upgrade pip. So it's additional, guys, it's necessary sometime or sometime it's not required. Okay, but just I want to give you guys here. As we can see, it's done. Okay, so Python 3.9 upgraded, pip also upgraded. If you see, pip 3.9 it's coming here. Okay, but sometime what happen, guys, this using sudo you can't able to upgrade. For that, just what you need to do, just you have to update the path of the Python in /etc sudoers file. Okay, on the secure path. Okay, so that things you have to do, guys. In this video I didn't mention that, but yes, if you are facing issue, then you have to do this. So thank you, guys, for watching video. Okay, so please, guys, like, share and subscribe my channel. I'm creating similar video. Okay, and please subscribe, guys. It will give little bit motivation to myself. Okay, so I can create similar video in future also. So please, guys, support me.